Nature. Nature means something beautiful to me. Something that displays incredible diversity in all her glory. There are big trees and small ones, short ones and tall ones. Within a single clump of yellow flowers, you might see a pink one and realize that it's a mutation. In nature, we don't say how bad that flower is different, that tree is too big. We say, how beautiful, instead. This has an influence on our thoughts, or even deeper.
These hills, these forests, this nature reminds me how incredibly fascinating our planet is, and how little we know, despite what we think we know. I often wonder why nature inspires us, why we are in awe of certain scenery, and why we find this landscape so breathtaking. We haven't done anything to earn this awe, so why do we feel it? It is this very question that leads me to believe our most inspired stand then is not one of accomplishment, but of humility. I think we naturally fall in love with places that prove us how small we are.
In the nature, the time slows down. Here, we feel that we live misdirected lives where one always wants to be better than the other. People want to find other people, envy them, and be jealous of what they have achieved. But this is not true happiness. True happiness is when other people are happy because of you. Be happy, truly happy.